Hello, so today we're going to teach you how to post anonymously in different Facebook groups. So let's head over and click our Facebook app. Then let's head over here to the settings. Then let's click the groups. So just a reminder that this will only work if the Facebook admin allows anonymous posting with their group. So let's find a group that would allow us to post anonymously. Let's click this one. Then here we can type whatever we want to post or add photos and videos or even polls. So up here we can see that they allow anonymous posting. Then let's just turn it on and then let's type something. Let's go type hello. Then just click post. Then we will just have to wait for the approval of the admin to be posted, and it will be posted anonymously without our name on it. And that's it for teaching you how to post anonymously on different Facebook groups. Thanks for watching.